Have you ever wished your pipeline could build itself? Lusha's new playlist will automatically deliver the right prospects to you without the heavy lifting. It's super efficient and very easy to set up. Let me show you how to get started. You'll find your lists on the left side panel for easy access anytime you need them. Now, there are two quick ways to create a list. From the prospecting page, search for contacts or companies and select the ones that match your target and click on Add to List. You can save them to an existing list or start from a new one. Or you can go ahead to your list section, click on the plus sign, name your list, and start adding prospects as you go. Now here's where it gets powerful. Turn any list into a playlist. You can run a manual update right away or let AI update your list automatically, which can be set to daily or weekly. Now either way, you'll keep your pipeline growing with fresh, relevant prospects. Now, playlists are smart, and the AI understands what each list is focused on and adds similar contexts or companies. You can build a separate playlist for a different kind of ICP or different kind of industries, or even different kind of sales motions. Now, the more you use it, the more tailored your recommendations are going to become. Playlists work quietly in the background, keeping your list active while you focus on conversations. You can update your settings, turn a playlist off, or even archive it when it's no longer needed. So if you're ready to grow your pipeline faster and smarter, start building your playlists while AI does the legwork.